Let's step back and look at the bigger picture, because understanding the evolution of the Insta360 Ace Pro lineup helps explain why the Ace Pro 3 has become one of the most anticipated action cameras in the creator community, especially as we move deeper into 2025. Historically, the Ace Pro series has followed a fairly predictable launch rhythm, with the original Insta360 Ace Pro officially unveiled toward the end of 2023 and the Ace Pro 2 following closely in the latter part of 2024, reinforcing the expectation that the next generation Ace Pro 3 would naturally arrive in the familiar 2025 release window. However, the current landscape of action cameras, content creation, and imaging technology has shifted dramatically, and that shift appears to be influencing Insta360's strategy more than ever before. Instead of rushing a launch to match past timelines, Insta360 seems to be taking a more calculated, performance-driven approach, carefully observing market trends, competitor innovations, and creator demands before finalizing its next flagship action camera. One of the most important developments shaping this direction in 2025 is the renewed and expanded partnership between Insta360 and Leica, two brands that bring complementary strengths to the table: cutting-edge AI-powered camera technology on one side and world-class optical engineering and color science on the other. This collaboration has already proven its value with the Ace Pro and Ace Pro 2, both of which elevated expectations for what an action camera can deliver in terms of image quality, dynamic range, low light performance, and cinematic color reproduction. The confirmation that this partnership is continuing strongly suggests that the next major product, very likely the Insta360 Ace Pro 3, is being refined to deliver a meaningful leap rather than a minor iterative upgrade. Insta360 has built its reputation on innovation in areas like 360-degree capture, advanced AI stabilization, intelligent horizon leveling, and creator-friendly software workflows, while Leica contributes legendary lens design, premium glass, and distinctive color profiles that resonate with photographers and filmmakers alike. In 2025, these combined strengths matter more than ever, as creators are no longer satisfied with basic action footage. They want professional-grade results from compact, rugged, waterproof cameras that can handle everything from extreme sports and travel filmmaking to daily vlogging and cinematic storytelling. The Ace Pro 2 already set a high benchmark with features such as its Leica SUMMARIT lens, refined Leica color science, advanced HDR video, smooth stabilization for handheld and helmet-mounted shots, and robust waterproof design suitable for diving, skiing, cycling, and outdoor adventure content. Its ability to deliver sharp, vibrant, and stable footage straight out of the camera has made it a favorite among YouTubers, travel vloggers, and action sports creators who want minimal post-production without sacrificing quality. Given how strong the Ace Pro 2 already is, expectations for the Ace Pro 3 are understandably massive, with rumors and speculation pointing toward potential upgrades such as improved low-light video performance, faster and smarter AI processing, enhanced 8K video capabilities, higher frame rates for slow motion, better battery efficiency, improved heat management, and even more refined in-camera color tuning optimized for both quick social media uploads and professional editing workflows. Another factor influencing the delayed or staggered launch timing is the increasingly competitive action camera market, where brands are constantly pushing out new models with incremental spec bumps, forcing leaders like Insta360 to be more strategic about when and how they release their flagship devices. Rather than simply matching competitors feature for feature, Insta360 appears to be analyzing rival camera specifications, user feedback, and real-world performance data to ensure that when the Ace Pro 3 finally enters the market, it does so as a clear leader rather than just another option. This approach aligns with how major camera brands operate at the high end, fine-tuning hardware and software until they are confident the final product can dominate its category. The continued involvement of Leica executives, who have publicly emphasized the shared vision of pushing the boundaries of imaging technology, further reinforces the idea that the next Ace Pro camera will prioritize image authenticity, optical precision, and creative flexibility over rushed release schedules. For creators watching closely in 2025, all signs point to a carefully engineered action camera that aims to redefine expectations once again, combining rugged design, intelligent features, and premium optics into a single compact device. Whether you are filming adrenaline-fueled sports, cinematic travel videos, immersive POV content, or high-quality daily vlogs, the direction of the Insta360 Ace Pro series suggests that the upcoming Ace Pro 3 is being designed to meet the growing demands of modern content creation while staying ahead of the competition. In short, the extended Insta360 Leica collaboration, the impressive foundation laid by the Ace Pro 2, and the evolving competitive environment all indicate that the Ace Pro 3 is not just a matter of if, but when, and when it does arrive, it is expected to enter the action camera battlefield fully optimized, strategically timed, and equipped to lead the market rather than simply participate in it.